For this example, we will be using Rhino, but any other CAD software will have similar features. So, we are going to take a sheet object and extrude it into a 3D volume. This is an open object, and we need to close it before passing it to a CFD solver. When we click on the object and inspect its properties, we can see that it is of type open mesh. The first step in the conversion is to extrude the object and make it into a solid. On screen, we see how the extrusion is done in Rhino. Different softwares will have different ways of doing it. With the extrusion complete, we create a box to cover the lower part of the extrusion. This lower part will be removed in subsequent steps. To ensure that the cutting operation, Boolean Difference, runs without any problems, we offset the box by 1 meter. Otherwise, we may inadvertently create holes in the lower parts of the object. After checking that everything is okay up to this point, we perform a Boolean difference operation. This will split the two objects and leave us with the part that we want to import into Phoenix. When we inspect the properties of the new object, we can see that it is of type closed mesh. After the Boolean difference is done, we do some last checks to ensure that there are no holes and that the geometry looks as it should. In this last step, we export the geometry as an STL file. It is worth exporting the STL as an ASCII file at the end. On screen, we can see the open and the closed objects side by side.